Hey everyone, I'm Connor Bezin for my senior project. I did social media strategy and execution on behalf of RMC or Ryan McClurkin and Guide Service. So RMC is a East Tennessee based fishing tour service, and what they want to do is to build a new marketing channel on social media, Instagram specifically. They've had no social presence so far, and I was there to help build out the foundation work for them. So once the project was concluded, that they continue to utilize this platform to use it correctly, to be able to understand the data behind it, the different tools that they can use, so it doesn't become their main focus, a part of their company, but more of an extra beneficiary tool for impressions and exposure. So part of this project, I started off with a competitor audit to be able to look at qualitative and quantitative data to find trends and patterns to help frame our campaigns, as well as to be able to understand where we could have a unique differentiation from their competitors. I also trained an internal team member of RMC so that once I left after this project concluded, that they can continue to build this out. When I was training this team member, I showed him how to use the platform analytics, what to look for, what different metrics and data meant to create content. So taking photos, videos to edit them to make sure that fits the style guide. I also created a content calendar, a strategy, and then I was also advised them on what social media management tools they should use and research tools so that they can continually to make sure that they're on the right track to gain all the success that they can from using different things like hashtags, comment counts, linking, and tagging, and so forth.